People say meditation brings peace. Is it true? Or there is something else? Why the mind is always louder? Thoughts, memories, fears, desires never stop. In yoga, meditation was never meant to be an escape. In yoga, the first step is silence. However, we cannot say that meditation is the true word. It is a blooming, the blooming of the mind, of the internal, where the internal is not just the body that is at peace, but much more deeper. It is the dharana, the holding of the truth, which reveals the two sides, one dark and one bright. But what about commoners like us? What can we do? Actually, truth is closer than we think. Quiet mind opens the heart, and sometimes it wags. The true word is dhyana, not about posture, not about place, not about time. It's about seeing clearly, about being effortless, whether a child or an old. The mind, once understood, begins to settle on its own. From waking to the sleeping to the turiya and beyond the turiya. It follows the breath that takes away all the anger, the frustration, the fear, and gives peace, tranquility, and depth. The breath that ties life and death into one. The breath that shows the door to the beyond. The flame that makes one rise. In yoga, Hatha means the combination of hum, the sun, the Pingala Nadi, and thumb, the moon, the Ida Nadi. These two, when combined and rise through the Sushumna, it leads to the union, the ultimate union of the sun and the moon, the left and the right. This union leads to the ultimate liberation. A liberation where one finds oneself in unity with the universe. Through stillness, through awareness, through the journey within. He returns to the world, not as the same, but as the space itself.